Are you a junk removal company struggling to stand out, ready to attract more customers? At Take One Marketing, we help you dominate your local market. Our targeted flyer campaigns ensure your message reaches the right audience. Our expertly designed flyers grab attention showcasing your services, same-day pickups, yard cleanups, or post-construction debris removal. We help you reach homeowners who need you now. Flyer campaigns boost your business visibility and reach potential customers directly in their homes. Establish your business as the go-to solution for junk removal. With Take One Marketing, our live GPS tracking ensures precise flyer delivery. From neighborhoods to commercial accounts, we help you connect and grow fast. Don't let your competition haul away your customers. Every customer lost is a missed opportunity for your business to grow. Let Take One Marketing power up your junk removal business with flyer campaigns that work. Call us today or visit our website to get started. Take One Marketing, where your success is our priority. Get started today, www.takeonemarketing.com.